Move along. Watch the drop. Clear out, she's coming down fast.
Is all ore the same?
Is this steel yet? No, it's brittle pig iron. All right, crew, watch the stops. Bring her down steady. A hair to the west. Locked in. Easy! Easy!
The secret to the speed. The arc is completely submerged in flux, preventing oxidation and delivering a flawless weld.
Watch your fingers! Oh! Settle it down easy. Got it. Clamp secured. All right, engage the rotation. Clear the line! It has to be for fording rivers. All right, easy now. Let's get this side clear.
Watch the hydraulics.
Spin's true. She's ready to go. Coming down. Down slow. Easy now, just a little to the left.
Clear on this side, keep it coming down.
All right, she's home. Get the bolts ready.
Keep it steady, this shroud has to seal perfectly.
The heat exchangers are lined up. We need more tension on that main fan belt. Heads up! All right, bring it down slow. Watch the studs.
Looks aligned.
Get the power wrench ready. All right, slide her in. Got the ratchet ready. Next one. Push it left now. It's coming down, watch the gap. We're clear on this side. That's it.
Machining the cast turret for the M4 Sherman Tank on the vertical turret lathe, ensuring a perfect match for the hull.
All right, torque the bolts down tight. Tilting up now, check the balance. Looks good, lock it down.
Hold it steady, she's almost home.
All right, she's seated. Get the wrenches on.
Hold it steady, she's almost home.
All right, she's seated. Get the wrenches on. Careful on the lift. Watch the rods.
We're secure. Hitting it with the torque wrench now.
Solid. She's ready to go.
$50 is up! Why a star? Easy to identify from the air to avoid friendly fire. Does it run? All right, pull the stick. 32 quarts, right on the mark. Cap secure. Let's light this cattle. Look at her go. Another one ready for the front.
Wire springs better than torsion bars. Easier to replace in the field if hit by a mine. Next, live fire.
Down, easy now.
Watch the line.
All right, secure the hatch. Clear the lines. All right, hit the engine. Let's roll, keep it moving.
This stuff sticks to everything.
She's brand new.
Baker Company, this is Able 6. We are approaching the objective area. Stay alert for enemy movement on the flanks.
Gunner, traverse right. Help up. Traverse right. Steady. On.
Target hit. Target hit.
The factory didn't make the cutter. It was made from scrap German beach obstacles by Sergeant Kulin.